Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.